Hi, my name is Ashley Overstreet and I am a student at Woodville Tompkins. I'm here majoring in nursing. I want to be a nurse practitioner when I get older and get into college. My thing that I like about nurse practitioner is knowing that I'm going and helping children out and going home at night just knowing that you help somebody in some kind of way is really amazing. Woodville Tompkins is a really nice school as far as the teachers that help you out. When you're in a classroom, it's more of a hands-on and not more of book work or, here, take this. It's more of like, if you need help, they're there. And in nursing, we'll have mannequins that we practice on. It's just a lot of stuff that's actually there physically, and it's not something that you would look in a book and learn how to do.
I'm a student at Jenkins High School, and I'm also a student at Woodville Tompkins. I'm currently here right now taking classes to become a nurse, but I want to go into the field of paramedic EMT. I'm also taking research and design and study skills. This school is a good experience because you get a lot of hands-on stuff with people and you get a lot of one-on-one with teachers most of the time. There's very few students in the classroom and it's a very good opportunity. It looks good on college applications along with some job applications too. Whenever you need help or something with anything, there's always a teacher there or somebody to help you. With nursing, you work a lot with the mannequins, you do a lot of vital signs and everything, you learn how to do all that correctly. It's a good experience being here. It's a very good school.
My name is Bridget Bryant. I want to be a prenatal nurse because I enjoy babies and I like holding babies and giving them back. Babies they're just the most precious little things. Tompkins is a good school for nursing and earlyhood child education. They have a lot of great opportunities for you.